In this video, I'll show you how to create your own presets in After Effects, which can save time and help you reuse your effects or even share them with others. Let's get started. First, start by adding the effects you want to include in the preset. For this example, I'm going to add random effects to my video just to demonstrate the process. Once you've added the effects, select all of them by pressing the Ctrl plus A on your keyboard. Then, go to the top menu, click on Animation, and choose Save Animation Preset. Now, you'll need to rename the preset to whatever you want. Type in a name that's easy to remember and then click Save. Your preset is now saved, but to make sure it works, you can refresh the effects list. Search for the name of the preset you just saved, and there it is. You can now apply it to any project, and it will work just fine. Let's try creating a preset that also saves keyframes. First, make the adjustments you want, and then select the keyframes by clicking on them. Go back to Animation and once again choose Save Animation Preset. Rename it as you like and press Save. Now, when you apply this preset, the keyframes, along with any adjustments you made to the graph, will also be saved. Creating presets is a great way to speed up your workflow, and you can even share these presets with friends or sell them if you like. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. See you next time.